Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw a very simple landscape drawing using pastel colors, and I will show you how to draw it step by step. So before we get started, let's have a look at the things that we are going to need for this drawing. I am using a cartridge paper sketchbook. On the paper, I already have made a border using a masking tape. I'll be using this 2B mechanical pencil for drawing the outlines, and of course these pastel colors. So at first let's draw the outline of the land and the tree. So you can see that I have drawn the outlines. Now I will color the background at first and then make the silhouette. For coloring the background, I am going to use these shades of yellow and orange. Now let's use some tissue paper to blend the color. Now with the black color, let's draw the silhouette of the land and the tree. If you are enjoying this video, do hit the like button and leave your comments in the comment section below. And for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of my new uploads.